Hello again, brothers and sisters in the hustle of trading. Time for second community service to create those traders through teaching and inspiring. If you've seen us for the first time, what we do here, we do top-down analysis, analyze zones for possible entries of trades, and while at it, we do some pep talk that can help psychology. For me, that is actually what I value the most, because you can literally watch our analyze charts for a couple of times, and you might just be able to do it exactly the way I do it, but the pep talks, everything we talk about in between is actually the very important stuff. We do top-down analysis. I color code my charts. On the daily I use red, on the 4 hour I use green, on the lower time frame, on the daily I use red, on the 4 hour I use green, on the lower time frame, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes, I use blue. This helps me see nicely, know where price is at all times, because the stronger the zone, the higher the time frame, the stronger the zone. I use shorts. I make my support and resistance zone short just because it helps me see clearer personally. It's just a personal preference. So if you like drawing lines on your charts, do not draw them just because I do it the way I do it, right? It just helps me see, but it references, look at this for instance, it references the entire area, but I just like it to be short. It's a new year. How about you spend this first month following rules, not over trading? Just try it out as an experiment. Try it out. Be patient with trades. Just try it out for 1 month and see the result it will give you. You know what? Most of the time, what bad habits do is that what bad habit does on the charts is that bad habits make you. You will have one moment where you will do something. Let's say you just jump into a trade without patience, right? Wait for it. Times are going to happen where it works out for you, because after all, even no matter how experienced you are in trading, you still lose sometimes, right? So there are times you do certain things and it will work out for you, but the negativity in that is that it registers in your brain as something that works, and then you keep doing it over and over again, and it keeps costing you money, making you lose money, and then one day it will work out again. So if you can judge your trading based on how well you are following certain rules, your trading journey will become a lot smoother. I'll repeat that. If you can judge your trading not with money, because you can make money anyway, anyhow. If you judge your trading not with money, if you judge it not with money, but with you, how you follow the rules, how you do what is right, your journey will be smoother. So in other words, don't celebrate a win if it was not part of the plan, because you should know that thing will destroy you one day. Celebrate losses if they are part of the plan, because you know that it will teach you to manage them. So try and do all of those things. Well, let's get into this thing, because I don't want these videos to be as long as they've been recently. What is the range in here? I cannot see a sell coming in. Oh, this is a 1000 pip range. But in this range, there's these zones in here like this, right? I need to check something now. Just pardon me, give me a second. I want to see if it's worth marking this zone. It's a 300 pip range. So what has happened here is that this is Thursday, Friday, Asian session price moved all the way up there, rejected, and then pushed down. Hard bullish candle, pushed down. Okay. So we are on a support on the 4 hour. Price has bounced off this place and achieved 1000 pips from this zone. So from where, what we're looking at right now is that from where this price is at, because of this candle that came all the way down, it gives a clean range to the top, right? As much as this is a zone, this kind of creates some kind of clean range. So I will take this out for now, except price decides to do something around here, then I'll put it again. If this candle should close bullish right here, we would have known that it would mean that price would have respected this support. Then if it closes bullish around this, we are not far in, because we don't trade in the middle of the range. If this candle should close bullish, we can take a buy from here to go long to see how far it goes. We can take out some profit here and continue it from there. If it pushes all the way down and gives a bullish confirmation from here, we can buy to go long. Pushes all the way down here, gives a bullish confirmation, buy to go long. Push down here, bullish confirmation, buy to go long, and this area as well. As for sales, if this candle, an area where an impulse entry can be used is this. If this candle, this particular candle, should reject and push down and break this and break this previous candle, one can use an impulse entry. Let's see how big this candle is, how big that will be. Whoa, okay. So if for me, I don't do any stop loss that is over 380 pips. Over 380 pips, that trade is not for me. So it's still in that range. So if this candle comes down, break this candle, I can do an impulse entry. But listen, whenever you're doing impulse entries, don't use your maximum risk. Let's say you risk 2% per trade. When you're doing an impulse entry, risk 0.50 per trade, because anything can go wrong. Just an impulse entry. So impulse entry should not be something that you take a lot of risk. So if it breaks it, sell to go down. If it pushes down here and breaks through the zone, closes below the zone, we can sell to go down. Pushes down, close below the zone, sell to go down. Push down, close below the zone, we can sell to go down. However, if it pushes all back to this side and give a bearish confirmation from here, sell to go down. Remember guys, that all these, I don't trade all these zones. I just give myself different areas, different opportunities where I can enter trade from. I don't do more than 2 of these trades. I wish you a beautiful day trading. I hope you guys take it easy, and I hope you guys follow the rules, do what is right, and 2025 can be your best year trading. Just try to be disciplined. Peace.